Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I want to teach you how to create a quick automated money machine email follow-up campaign in your autoresponder account, especially if you're using Aweber. So basically what happens is you're going to be driving traffic when you're promoting Clickbank offers or any other affiliate offers or your website, your product, wherever. You're going to build a list. So you're going to be driving traffic to this page, and when a person subscribes on completely autopilot, you want emails to go out on your behalf to that person so he could see that offer over and over and over again and then decide to purchase that offer. So how do you create these email follow-ups? So you create it once, you do the work once, and the email just complete autopilot goes out to these people every single day without you lifting a finger. All right, now before I dive into this video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then make sure you smash the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. You should see the subscribe button anywhere on this page below this video. Anywhere it says subscribe on it, just click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, share this video, leave a comment if you have any questions. I'm here to help you. My channel is all about Clickbank affiliate marketing, make money online, working from home, traffic generation, creating campaigns, and how to turn your Clickbank and affiliate zeros into $10,000 per month online. All right, so let's dive into this video. So first of all, obviously you need an autoresponder account. So in that case, you will need a Aweber account. So I have an Aweber account, and I'm going to quickly show you how to create a quick email campaign so those email goes out on your behalf to those prospects. Now, if you don't know what to write, you could go to the JV page of the affiliate offer, and they do have email follow. So you can copy and paste. Just make sure you change the title, because the title is going to be the main thing where people will decide to open your emails. And the reason you want to change your title is because thousands of people are using the same email with the same title, so people are not going to open your email. So you need to come up with a unique title. All right, so first of all, what you want to do is in your Aweber account, you're going to go to automations, and then you're going to go to campaigns. And when you go to campaigns, you're going to click on create a campaign. Okay, so you're going to click on create a campaign. You're going to click on blank campaign. Okay, and then you have two options down here. You're just going to select this one, on subscribe. Okay, and there you go. You just have a quick blank campaign, and then you want to put the campaign name here. So I'm just going to put something like Clickbank test. Okay, I'm just going to click this green tick box, and then I'm going to drag this message straight down here. All right, there you go. And then I'm going to create the message. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to click on drag and drop email builder. All right, and then I'm just going to write my email if I know what I'm writing. And if I don't know what I'm writing, then I'm just going to take an email from the JV page. Okay, and I'm just going to copy and paste it. So I'm going to come to my campaigns, and I've got one email here, a quick email. So I'm just going to copy and paste this and show you how it all works. So I'm going to come here. Okay, I'm going to just paste that into my email, and this is going to be my clickable link. So let me just make this unclickable so I could show you how to make it clickable. All right, so you're just going to highlight this again, and it's going to pop up this bar down here. You're just going to click on this where it says link, just go there and just put in your website. All right, so I'm just, for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to put google.com. all right, and just click on this tick box. There you go, this has become clickable. All right, and then you want to put a subject line. Subject line has to be unique. I'm just going to put something like activate your affiliate marketing system now. All right, and you might want to personalize this email with a name or email address. So if you're capturing, so you can see on this landing page, I am just capturing emails. I'm not capturing name. If you're capturing name, you could personalize this with the name. So you could come here, you could go to subscribers info, and you could just select full name, first name, last name. But because I'm just capturing emails, I'm just going to personalize it with an email. Right, so there you go. That's very good. And then what you want to do is to make it more unique. All right, you want to add an emoji. So let's go to emoji, and let's just put something like a fire. There you go. Okay, that's how simple it is. So you want to click on save. You want to click on save and exit. Okay, and then you're going to see that email right in your account. All right, now you want to, in according to what I do, is I put one email per day. All right, so one email goes out per day. Some people do 2 emails per day, 3 emails. I just think that's just too much. You're going to annoy the subscriber, and then he's just going to stop opening your emails. All right, now the best way to do email marketing is providing value to your list. You build a relationship and a bond with your email list by providing real value, free training and bonuses. And then after about 3-4 days, you could hit them with a product or a service or an affiliate offer that is genuine, legit, and it's real and it's up to date in making money online. Okay, so you want to build that relationship. When you build that relationship, you're going to make a lot of money whenever you start sending out emails. But if you don't build that relationship and from day one you start hitting them with affiliate offers, you could do that, but you will make a lot of money, but not as much as building a relationship with your email follower, email subscribers, and then sending out email sequences. Okay, so in this case, what I have done is from day one I have just sending out an email with an affiliate offer. But in real time, you shouldn't supposed to do that. You're supposed to build a relationship, give them value, build that bond with your subscribers so they know you, they trust you, they know who you are, they know you are a legitimate person, and then you could hit them up with real affiliate offers, and that's when you're going to make a lot of money. So there you go. I've got this one email. Now I want to create another email. So how do I do that? First of all, like I said, I will send out one email per day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this wait and I'm going to drag it down here. So it's going to wait for 1 day. So I could select how many days, the second email. So I'm going to put a send message again after that. And there you go. Send message after 1 day. So the first email goes out immediately after someone puts their email here. And then the second email will go out after 1 day. Now I could change this to after 2 days by going to this page down here. I could just go 2 days, 3 days, 5 days. But I will do 1 day. So 1 day. Every day I want an email to go out. So first email as soon as a person subscribes. The second email will go out after 1 day. Okay, so now I'm going to create a quick email here. So that's the same thing I'm going to do. I'm just going to repeat what I just done right now. I'm going to go here. I'm going to create a message. So now you create a message, you give your message a title, you do the same thing and repeat the process. And you want to have, if you're promoting a low ticket offer, you're going to have 7-day emails per offer. All right, minimum 7 days. You could have maximum, it depends on the offer, it depends on the price, but 7 days. I normally don't go above 7 days unless I believe in the product, in the system, and I believe that this is a very great product. I just believe that this product can't be missed. All right, then I will go like 10 days or 13 days or 14 days. Otherwise, normally I will do 7-day email sequence per product. After 7 days, I will get a new product and promote that for the next 7 days to 10 days, and then another new product for the next 7 days to 10. And like that, you could build your email automation money list up to like 50 days, 60 days, 80 days, 90 days, 100 days. And guess what? For 100 days, if you have a list of 100 email follow-ups for 100 days, that means for 100 days, your subscribers are going to get 1 email per day, every single day on completely autopilot without you lifting a finger. Because you've done the work once and that's it. Once you do the work once, the email just goes out on completely autopilot on your behalf. All right. So you could do that. Now, if you're going to promote a high ticket offer, then obviously 7-day email follow up is not enough. You have to do at least 14 days to 21 days email follow up sequences. So in this case, after you create these emails, you want to start driving quality amounts of traffic to this page and start building a real subscriber list. Okay, quality subscribers list, because when you drive traffic and you start getting quality people, you're going to get good open rate. Good people are going to open your email. Real people are going to open your email. They're going to click on the link, and guess what? If they like the offer, if they're convinced, they're going to buy the offer from you. So that's how it all works. This is how you create a quick email follow-up sequences. So you need an autoresponder for this. Also, you need a landing page for this. I have all my links in the description box below this video. Now let me ask you this one simple question. Are you sick and tired from jumping from one product to another product to another product without seeing any results? Are you sick and tired logging into your Clickbank account and seeing these big fat zeros? Are you sick and tired seeing no results? Are you sick and tired with all the garbage and BS out there? If you had answered yes, then you have an opportunity to finally crack the code. You have an opportunity to change your life permanently. You have an opportunity to start making real affiliate commissions up to $10,000 plus every single month online. Let me tell you, this product, this system that I'm about to share with you is changing lives. It's not BS. It's not garbage. It's not waste of time. It's a real product, real system, proven and tested from real people, changing lives. The creator of this program is already making over $20,000 a month in real affiliate commissions. The link's gonna be in the description box below this video. When you go to that link, you're gonna come to this page here. Watch this video. You will see real people making real Clickbank commissions. Okay, so if you have been thinking, is there anything out there that could change my life? Is there anything out there that if I apply and I take massive action and follow all steps, I could make real money? Then here it is. You've got something that could finally change your life, and you can crack the code and change your life permanently. Imagine making $10,000 a month every single month on completely autopilot while enjoying the finer things in your life, while spending quality time with your family, while taking vacations. Would you be interested? If you answered yes, then this is the time for you to change your life and make 2023, which is just around the corner, best year of yourself for your financial, and have the time freedom, location freedom, and money freedom by living the .com lifestyle. This is the time to take action, finally change your life, and make 2023 one of the best years of your life by making real commissions and real money online. So if you are interested and ready to learn and ready to make up to $10,000 a month in affiliate commissions with Clickbank and other affiliate networks, then click the link in the description box below this video. The link is going to be in the description box below this video. Click on that link, come to this page, and then watch the video, go through the page. If you're convinced, click on this green button and activate this program while it is still available. I'm creating this video, and while I'm creating this video, this program is still available. And while I'm creating this video, you're going to get 5 special bonuses, and one of them is a one-on-one private coaching session. That's right. So you can't miss this opportunity. So if you are really serious and you want to change your life permanently, and you think that you finally want to have something that could help you change your life, then the links are going to be in the description box below this video. Click on that link, come to this page, activate this program, and I promise you will not be disappointed. All right. I have access to this program, and I'm telling you about this because I know what's inside. Okay, I know what's inside. I'm not someone that's just promoting this product or telling you to buy this product, and I don't know what this is all about. I know what this is all about because I have access to this program. It is one of the best programs out there that is helping people change their life. So if you are really serious, click the link in the description box below this video. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, share this video. If you have questions, leave a comment for me, and hopefully I will see you in the next video.